So Mary is an alumni and wants to give her old high school, let's say, some money so they can give out scholarships, $500 every year. I guess in her name, right? But the school will purchase whatever Mary gives the school. They will purchase an annuity. So basically, they'll put it into a bank, and they'll pull out the money in installments. And they of course want to pull out $500 because that's the scholarship. How much it's worth. And the bank is giving the annuity at 6% per annum, compounded semi-annually. How much does Mary have to give the school so they can buy this annuity and they can give the scholarship every year? Okay, so this is a problem with you pulling out. We're giving out money every year, but the interest is it's compounded semi-annually. Okay, so there's $500 here, $500 here. Right, 1, 2. How many years did she want to do this for? 10 years. Okay, let me write out the 500. Now the amount that she needs to give to the school will be the present value of these $500, right? But they're actually pulled out every year. So what should we divide by to get the present value? What's the actual interest rate? So we call that the effective interest rate. Now, because the 6% is compounded twice a year, the amount of money that the $500 will accumulate over a year, it won't be 6%. It will be 1.03 squared. This is called the effective interest rate. This is the actual interest rate. This is actually how it's affecting your money. Okay, so this you have to divide the $500 because it's only once a year by this. Okay, let me just write it as 1.03 squared. This is actually presently going to be worth this power of 4 now. Continue this pattern. 20, right? So that's how much Mary needs to give to the school. Okay, so let's figure that out. So the final sum is, it's called out A. So A is 500 over 1.03 squared. So 1 minus 1 over 1.03 squared to the power of 10, because there are exactly 10 terms, all over 1 minus 1 over 1.03 squared. Okay, once again, I'm going to multiply the top and bottom by 1.03 squared, and we get 500. And this actually becomes 20 down here. And we get 1.03 squared minus 1, which is going to be just 0.0609. So there you go. She only needs to give that much so that the school can give out scholarships of $500 for the next 10 years.